So the Biosphere Explorers programme is one of our 35 projects that the Galloway Glens is running this year. It's being led by the Crichton Carbon Centre, and Shala and the team at the Carbon Centre have been doing a fabulous job of taking all of the children in the Galloway Glens area through the different schools through a programme that's really designed to introduce them to the biosphere, what it means, why it exists and what we can all do to protect it. We're delighted to be here with Kells School, New Galloway, at their Biosphere Explorers programme up here at the Garrickwold Garden, where there's such a lot of community work going on, and really letting the children make the link between the learning in the classroom and the beautiful natural landscape that they live in.
Today's workshop is on biodiversity in particular, so I'm going to be talking to them about what biodiversity is, why it's important to some extent, and then they're going to be hunting for some species themselves, just to give an idea of the variety of plants that we have here. The Galloway and Southern Ayrshire Biosphere is a UNESCO designation given to Dumfries and Galloway, Southern Ayrshire and East Ayrshire, and it acknowledges how special the environment is, and it also acknowledges the commitment of the people that live here to try and live sustainably. Of course, getting young people involved in that is really, really important, and that's what my job is.
The children have been learning basically what a biosphere is, which has been interesting because a lot of them know in terms of different sorts of creatures and living things, but they don't know the vocabulary, so that's been something that they've learnt straight away, and they've been able to use that vocabulary and relate it to finding out about the different trees and the different animals and the things that are growing and living within this biosphere.
What do you know about the biosphere?
It's a place where living things live, and it's protected by UNESCO to stop it being harmed in any way.
This is our third session with the Biosphere Explorers, and many of them had not actually realised that we lived in the Galloway and Southern Ayrshire Biosphere in the first place. Some of them had heard about it, but they didn't actually know what it was and what it meant. We've all been learning together, because even I wasn't aware what it was and that we actually live in the biosphere. Shala has been great in explaining how it affects our lives, our impact and the whole purpose of it. And of course today the children have just really enjoyed coming and linking the biosphere to the work that we're doing in the classroom, so it's great. Yeah, we've got a lot out of it. Yeah.